What if you could trade smarter, not harder? Pick a pro, mirror their moves, and trade like a top trader. Choose a strategy provider from experienced traders. Their trades mirror in your account in real time. Their wins, strategies, and execution all reflected in your account. Got trading skills? Let them potentially earn for you. Trade as usual, no marketing, no extra setup. Followers copy your trades automatically. Earn performance-based fees as your audience grows. Why Traders Love Deriv cTrader? Fast execution and deep liquidity trade hits the market instantly. No hidden fees, just transparent performance-based earnings. Advanced tools, real-time ROI insights, and risk analysis. Risk management features like equity, stop loss to protect capital. Trade Forex, crypto, indices, and commodities with spreads from 0.0 pips. Getting started is easy. Sign up as a strategy provider or follower. Test with a $10,000 demo or start live with just $5. Every trade builds your reputation, following, and potential income. Follow the pros or be the pro. The choice is yours. Start now at deriv.com and take your trading to the next level. What's your biggest challenge in trading? Share in the comments.